Have you ever wondered why babies can't tell us what's wrong, yet somehow expect us to figure it out every single time? One minute they're peacefully sleeping, and the next they're crying like the world is ending. If you're a new parent, or you're expecting a baby soon, you've probably asked yourself, am I doing this right? The good news is, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to understand what your baby is trying to tell you. In today's video, we are going over the most important baby care tips every parent should know. Stay until the end, because one simple mistake many parents make every day can quietly affect a baby's comfort and sleep, and most people don't even realize they're doing it. Let's get started. Number 1. Feed your baby when they're hungry, not just by the clock. One of the biggest questions new parents ask is, how often should I feed my baby? The answer depends on your baby's age. Newborns usually need to eat every 2 to 3 hours. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, it's important to watch your baby's hunger cues instead of relying only on a schedule. Look for signs like sucking on their hands, turning their head toward your touch, or opening their mouth. Don't wait until they're crying. Crying is actually one of the last hunger signals, and feeding a calm baby is much easier than feeding a frustrated one. Number 2. Learn the different types of crying. Here's something that surprises many parents. Not every cry means the same thing. Sometimes your baby is hungry. Sometimes they're tired. Sometimes they have a wet diaper. And sometimes they simply want to be held. Over time, you'll begin noticing small differences in your baby's cries. That isn't magic. It's something almost every parent learns naturally with practice. So don't worry if you can't tell the difference right away. You're learning together. Number 3. Safe sleep saves lives. Now let's talk about one of the most important topics. How should a baby sleep safely? Experts recommend placing babies on their backs for every sleep, both naps and nighttime. Use a firm mattress with a fitted sheet. Keep pillows, blankets, stuffed animals, and sleep positioners out of the crib. A simple sleep space is actually the safest sleep space. It may not look as cozy, but it's designed to reduce unnecessary risks. Number 4. Diaper changes are more important than you think. Many parents think diaper changes are just about cleanliness. But they're also about protecting your baby's skin. Check diapers every couple of hours and change them as soon as they're wet or dirty. Gently clean the area and let the skin dry before putting on a fresh diaper. If you notice redness, a diaper cream can help protect the skin from irritation. A few extra seconds during each diaper change can prevent days of discomfort. Number 5. Don't forget tummy time. Here's a question. Why do babies need tummy time if they can't even crawl yet? Great question. Tummy time helps strengthen your baby's neck, shoulders, and back muscles. These muscles are important for rolling over, sitting, crawling, and eventually walking. Start with just a few minutes a day while your baby is awake and supervised. Little by little, increase the time as they get stronger. Number 6. Keep an eye on temperature. Babies can't regulate their body temperature as well as adults. A simple rule many parents follow is to dress your baby in one more light layer than you're comfortable wearing. If the back of your baby's neck feels sweaty or very hot, they may be overdressed. If their chest feels cool, they might need another layer. Comfort matters more than heavy clothing. Number 7. Talk to your baby every day. Here's something incredible. Your baby starts learning language long before they say their first word. Talk while changing diapers. Talk while feeding. Describe what you're doing around the house. Read simple books. Smile often. These everyday moments help build communication skills, emotional bonding, and brain development. Your baby may not answer with words yet, but they're listening. Number 8. Trust your instincts. Parents often compare themselves with others online. But remember, every baby is different. Some babies sleep longer. Some eat more often. Some reach milestones earlier, while others take a little more time. Instead of comparing your baby with someone else's, focus on steady growth and healthy development. And if something truly doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to contact your pediatrician. Asking questions is part of being a great parent. Before we finish, remember that mistake we mentioned at the beginning. It's overdressing babies. Many parents think extra blankets or thick clothing help babies sleep better. But babies actually sleep best when they're comfortable, not too hot and not too cold. Sometimes, less really is more. Now we have a question for you. What has been the biggest challenge in caring for your baby? Was it sleep, feeding, diaper changes, or understanding your baby's cries? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help another parent who's going through the exact same thing. And if you learned something useful today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Global Mama for simple, trusted baby care tips made especially for parents who want the best for their little ones. In the next video, we'll reveal 7 surprising baby sleep mistakes that almost every new parent makes, and how fixing just one of them could help your baby sleep longer and more peacefully. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.